little party crap.
Are we filming?
We're filming, Dan.
Let's film. Let's film.
Let's film the fire.
Make it.
Wait, that
Doesn't show us.
does it not? Holy fuck off, you twat.
Mind the videos. That will. No, seriously, not on the videos, please. If they're priceless.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, they are. I haven't got.
but
I haven't got other copies. Please
What you're
move them.
filming will be priceless also.
That's only wood.
Ollie. Did you get that on film? Did you record?
I think.
Sorry, shall I be quiet now? Because I want. What the fuck happened there? Well, of course it fucking caught all them, didn't it?
Oh, I don't know what happened.
Please, it caught all them,
I don't
didn't
know
it?
what fucking happened.
One of the sparks obviously went there.
Got it all.
All of them.
Did you watch?
All I know is there's some big fire in the room.
All I know is 999's a good number. Oh my god.
That was terrifying.
That
Fucking terrifying.
Fireworks inside. Can't beat them.
safety. Oh my god. Is that a joint?
Yeah.
Is that?
This is
Oh,
ruined.
Oh my. It is. They're all done, aren't they? That's why it all went up. I understand safety.
It's fine. Thank fucking mats. This one's alright as well. Lucky boy. Wherever you're not. Yeah. It's alright as well.
Oh, we're not doing badly, are we?
I don't know what this is for. But it's rubbish. And that is rubbish. It's alright. It's burnt fuck. Absolutely
Video.
fucking incinerated. How did that happen?
seen these
I
magical,
can't understand how that happened.
which
Well,
is best.
basically, because there were about 6 others,
How long are
How
they?
did
Are they
that
long?
happen?
they all
They're full.
They're both
No, it
full,
says
like a few
different
hours
ones,
each.
we've got about 6.
What's best style?
But it's
Might be
categorised.
I'm pretty sure it's fucks.
No, it's filming.